Welcome to our video on crypto market analysis and Bitcoin price prediction. In this video, we will provide insights and predictions on the cryptocurrency market, with a specific focus on Bitcoin. As the crypto market continues to evolve, it's crucial for investors, traders, and individuals interested in cryptocurrency to stay informed. Our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and insights you need to make informed decisions. Bitcoin, being the leading cryptocurrency, often sets the tone for the entire market. We'll analyze its price movements, historical data, and market trends to provide you with accurate predictions. Our analysis is based on a combination of technical indicators, market sentiment, and fundamental factors. By considering multiple perspectives, we aim to provide a comprehensive view of the market. While we strive to provide accurate predictions, it's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and subject to rapid changes. Always do your own research and consult with professionals before making investment decisions. In this video, we aim to provide you with a professional and informative analysis of the crypto market. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and insights needed to navigate this exciting and ever-changing industry. Join us as we dive deep into the world of cryptocurrencies and explore the potential opportunities and risks they present. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, this video will provide valuable insights for everyone. As we analyze the crypto market, we'll explore key topics such as market trends, price volatility, regulatory developments, and the impact of major events. Stay tuned for a comprehensive analysis. Understanding the current state of the crypto market is essential for making informed decisions. We'll provide you with real-time updates, expert opinions, and actionable insights to help you navigate this dynamic landscape. Our goal is to simplify complex concepts and present them in an easily understandable manner. We'll break down technical jargon and provide clear explanations, ensuring you grasp the key concepts. Stay ahead of the curve by gaining insights into potential market trends and upcoming developments. Our analysis will equip you with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions and seize opportunities. We understand the importance of accurate predictions. Our team of experts combines their knowledge and experience to provide you with reliable insights that can help guide your investment strategies. The crypto market is constantly evolving, and we'll keep you updated with the latest news and developments. Stay tuned for our regular analysis videos to stay informed and make confident decisions. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about cryptocurrencies. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and engage in discussions to enhance your understanding of the market. As the crypto market continues to evolve, it's crucial to adapt and stay ahead. Our videos will provide you with the necessary tools and knowledge to navigate this ever-changing landscape. We believe that education is the key to success in the crypto market. Our videos aim to educate and empower you with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. Join us on this exciting journey through the world of cryptocurrencies. Together, we'll explore the latest trends, uncover hidden opportunities, and navigate the challenges of this dynamic market. In conclusion, our video provides a comprehensive analysis of the crypto market and Bitcoin price predictions. We hope you found this information valuable and that it helps you in your crypto investment journey. Thank you for watching our video on crypto market analysis and Bitcoin price prediction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. This video was brought to you by our team of experts in crypto market analysis and Bitcoin price prediction. We strive to provide you with valuable insights and help you navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency.